Well, it's strawberry season. You know, a lot of us think of shortcake, but you know, it's also fun to take those strawberries and decorate them a little bit and make a fun project for your friends, your family, or your kids. So a lot of us will take and just use the traditional, either just dip them in whipped cream, which is always good, or like Judy has over there, you can just dip them in straight chocolate.
And so what we have is just melted chocolate here, and it's really so easy. You just kind of coat the strawberry with chocolate, and then sprinkles. It's such a great idea. There's candy sprinkles, shredded coconut, or chopped nuts. And look how pretty this is. It's just really kind of special for your really special occasion.
You know, and other things you could use frosting. So we've used some colored frosting. So say you want to use something for 4th of July, you could dip this in like this white frosting here. You get it all white. And then when you're done, you could take some blue frosting and just kind of drizzle that over the top, and you have a 4th of July or any other holiday item you can use.
Oh, that's a great idea. You know, just a couple tips that you can do with your family and friends and just have some more fun with strawberries this season.